Them about the home expenses tracker. What is this system? The home expenses tracker is a console application built with Dart. It allows a user to register an account, log in, and record their daily spending. It organizes every peso into a categories like food or bills and calculates exactly where your money is going. How it works. Number one, security. You can create a username and password. Number two, input, enter an amount. 500, pick a category, food, and add a date. Number three, processing. The system stores this list expenses object. Number four, output. It calculates totals for you automatically, so you don't have to use a calculator. The page, why use it? Number one, simple and fast. No fancy button, no ads, and no loading screen. You can open it, type the number, and you are done. It the fastest way to track your budget without noise or of modern apps. Number two, smart sorting. The system doesn't just give you a long list of number, it groups them. Did I spend too much on food this month? How much are my total bills? One click, option 3, give you the answer instantly. Number 3, error frog. You can accidentally enter Apple as a price. The system is programmed to only accept number for amount, keeping your records clean and professional. Number 4, 100% private. Your data stays on your machine. No cloud, no tracking, no leaks. It's just you and your budget.